This is your permission slip to leave, to care more than is normal, although it is less than is needed, to absolutely not be over it, to have been over it before it even happened, to clear some floor space and begin again amid the rot, to place a bet on your own tired horse, your own flailing brain, your two dimpled legs, to live in amicable apathy with your body, like a worn-in couple who forgot their anniversary, to wait for the thing, the thing you're always waiting for, but to find some joy while you do, to decorate the waiting room in bright colours and bring your favourite flask, to assemble a playlist and stick it in the ears of whoever passes through, to select the soundtrack even when you cannot pick the plot. This is your permission slip. So if anyone tries to stop you slipping out in the night to the airport, they won't be able to keep you from the sky.